CLion, a cross-platform IDE for C and C++. Download now.
Hello everyone, welcome all of you to my lightning talk titled, So You Want to Delve into C++? First of all, I'm Honey Sukesan. I work as a senior software developer at Jaguar Land Rover Ireland. There is a disclaimer. You can report, I'm not a C++ expert. I'm just another software engineer loving C++. All the opinions, thoughts mentioned in this talk are solely my own and do not reflect my employers. So just we can start. As the title says, like, so you want to delve into C++. So some of you may be thinking, but we are some elite class of C++ developers. We already attending conference. But honey, I'm already a C++ expert. What else do I need to learn? So here you can see a meme that was floating on internet. So remember in the olden days, there was a book called Teach Yourself C++ in 21 days. So like we see many courses like that, like teach yourself C++ in so and so days. So in the meme, you can understand from that itself. One person trying to learn all those and hundreds of days, thousands of days, and finally, you can understand. So are you lost in the C++ wilderness because the language is evolving in the over these recent years? So this is the diagram which I took from the ISO CPP.org website, where you can see the standards evolving over the time. So nowadays it is like more every 3 years a new standard is out for the C++. Another problem which we are facing is there is abundance of resources in the internet nowadays, but we have only our time is very limited. Another concern which we feel is that some guidelines are like conflicting sometimes, so that can lead to bad programming practices. So I'm trying to come up with a list of resources suiting beginners, or if you're migrating from another programming language to C++ programming language, intermediate, so resources suiting intermediate or experts, no matter what your experience level is. This is just, as I told, like these are just my opinion. I may miss one or two other popular resource. Bear with me with that. So I start with getting started. So some resources which personally help me are this is the founder or the father of C++, Björn's book, Tour of C++. This is just some 300 pages. It's an easy read. Another course which helped me was in a Pluralsight, about the C++ expert Kate Gregory. Kate Gregory has a variety of courses there in Pluralsight. So one thing I did myself was learn to program with C++ 17. So if you are even beginner in programming, it will help as well. Some other resources are also given. Of course, CPPReference, everybody knows that. Then a website which I refer to my PM members in my team as well, Learn CPP. And if you want like cheat sheet like of information, there is Anthony Calhandra, somebody like that in GitHub. So I have given all the links here. Of course, there are a lot more books will come. We'll encode some in the upcoming slides. So once we have that fundamentals, what is the next? So how to build a strong foundation? So what I would suggest is that choose your compiler based on the operating system which you are comfortable with. Of course, online compilers are a blessing. If you're not familiar with Godbolt.org or the compiler explorer, try it. It is most popular among the C++ community. Or for another reason, if you want to choose something else, it is oneboards.org. There are some other tools as well with a visualization, debugging visualization as well. So have a look. So if you once we have that, like if you want to try locally, you can choose any IDE. So there are a lot of free options. There are proprietary options. So VS Code is now getting much popularity, and which has facility for extensions also to be added. Then CLion, many people in C community, I know they prefer CLion IDE. I also used it for some time. It was quite nice. Eclipse CDT, I don't know how popular Eclipse with C development at present, but I started with Eclipse CDT when I started C programming. So now I got my fundamentals. What is next? So moving beyond. So I have a few suggestions. Check in if you have a decent grasp of your fundamental C++ constructs, not only limited to the things which are listed. I might have missed, or like with the limitation of the slide, I can't put everything. At least just check like if you have a good idea of template meta programming, auto, lambda expressions, concepts like RAII, references, destructor, move semantics, smart pointers, some C++ idioms, SFNA kind of, then constig SPR, constival. So if you are working about C++20, the new concepts like concepts, coroutines, ranges, I don't know, reflection, whatever that is in the upcoming C++26 standard. So if you are not even actively working in the newest standard, at least be aware of these things, so that in future, if you migrate to the newest versions, it would be easier for you to uh, uh, adopt those that time. So now, after the intermediate level, what is next? So mastering the craft. It's always like practice, 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 and more practice. Like now we have the language fundamentals, but you should also have to know that there is an ecosystem for this C developers, not only C++ developers, for every developer. So regardless of the programming language. So for a C++ developer, maybe you had to familiarize yourself with debugging. So many times I've seen in my professional life, some developers, they only know logging. I mean, like error printing. So there is, but we can't use a lot of prints in our safety critical systems or something like that. So debugging is a boon many a times, like to identify the bugs and fix the bugs. So understand the broader ecosystem, C++ ecosystem. So others are like popular, how to leverage popular C++ libraries in your code base. For example, Boost libraries, POCO libraries, uh, STD format, not STD format, Boost. Yeah, if you can't use the C++ 17 like FMT libraries, and a lot. And familiarize with the build system generators such as CMake or Bazel or Ninja, whatever, which you are choosing in your repository for your code base. And the package managers such as a Conan or vcpkg, depending upon the environment you are choosing. Get also familiarized with the clang tools such as clang-tidy, which is a static analysis tool, clang-format, which helps in the formatting. Familiarize also with CPP core guideline. If you are not following any other coding standard, de facto standard you can follow is a C++ core guidelines, which is written by the C++ people from C++ community itself. And read and apply best practices like coding styles such as Google C++ style guide, etc. And finally, practice, practice, practice. So what more you can do? So other things are like there is a lot of knowledge sharing going on worldwide. So like as part of C++ user groups, C++ conferences like CPPReference. So I found a link in C++ Sweden C++ user group where they list uh, uh, all the there's a curated list of all the C++ user groups around the globe, and they're meetups, monthly meetups or regular meetups. And also in isocpp.org, you can see that link also I have mentioned, all the conferences worldwide, C++ conference worldwide, you can get the calendar in isocpp.org. Try attending, or if not you can't attend, you can go to their YouTube page, YouTube videos, and like try to try to watch those videos and understand. Is that enough? No, you are not alone. Like there is a C++ community worldwide. So not only this, I have listed hash include C++ community, which is an active community with a diversity and inclusion also in mind. They have an active Discord channel there, and there is a C++ Slack, which is run by I think C++ Alliance people. There also you can post your queries or get advice, etc. If you're interested, get you can, I think, hash include CP plus, you can join as well there. Other than many other C++ user groups also have Discord channel. I am aware, like CPP India has a Discord channel. C++ Helsinki, I believe they have a Discord channel as well. Yeah. What next? So podcast and blogs. Everybody knows CPPcast is the first C++ podcast for C++ developers by C++ developers. I think that's a caption. So currently running by our own conference organizer, Phil Nash and Timur. And I know there is a cpp.chat. I don't know if it is still active. I'm not sure of the recent episodes. Then there is ADSP, the podcast running by Bryce and Connor. I know that is still active. And other blogs, there are a lot of other podcasts as well you can refer. And the blogs, there are helpful blogs by Rainer, Moderna CPP, Sutter's Mill, Herb Sutter's blog, Fluent CPP. Yeah, Santa Dago had a talk in our conference, CPP Online. C++ News by Meeting CPP. Meeting CPP also is a largest conference, C++ conference in Europe. You can they also run hybrid conferences if you wish to join. They also have monthly user group meetings. So more resources. So CPPCon is a like worldwide famous international C++ conference, mostly run in Americas. You can see the Back to Basics playlist in their YouTube channel. I have listed the share the YouTube link. And also Jason Turner, as you know, that he's doing a lot of amazing work with C++ Weekly. Jason has posted a curated list of C++ learning playlist. I have put that. Jason has written a book as well, C++ best practices. This is also very nice. It's a short book. I love short books. That's it. Thank you for your time. I wish you everyone a great C++ journey.